Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alexander County, Davie County, Iredell County, Rowan County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles north of Union Grove to 3 miles southeast of La Valley to Taylorsville, or along a line extending from 10 miles south of Ronda to 12 miles north of Statesville to Taylorsville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Union Grove, Idenite, Stony Point, Harmony, Turnersburg and Scotts, Sheffield and Statesville. People in the path of this line of severe thunderstorms should be alert for large hail and damaging winds. Frequent lightning and locally heavy rain can occur with any thunderstorm. Seek shelter indoors away from windows and doors until the storm passes. To report damaging winds, large hail, or flooding through our automated reporting system, call our toll-free number 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Davie, Iredell, and Rowan.
This is NOAA Weather